Now in this section, we're going to look at some basic text functions. So we'll look at the left function, the right function, and the mid function. So in this case, what I've got is a list of names with the first initial as space and then the second name. So if I click here, what I want is just the initials displayed down here. So in this column, I want A, B, C, D, E, F, etc. All the way down to K for this one here. So if I click on cell C4, then go to Formulas, then go to Text, what I need to do is go and find the left function, which is this one here. So first of all, I specify the text. So there's the text there. And then I specify the number of characters. And I just want one character, so I'll type in 1 and I'll click on OK. And sure enough, it's extracted the first character to the left. And if I drag this down, you can see it's now done the same for all the names here. So that's how you can extract sort of the first character, or in this case, the first initial from this list of names. Now here's a similar example, but in this case, I want to extract basically characters from the right. So as you can see, in all cases here, there's a 2-digit code. So for the UK, it's UK. South Africa, it's SA. For Australia, it's AU. So what I want here is basically all those 2-digit codes. So I want UK, SA, AU, AU, and then NZ down here and AU here. So if I click here first, then go to Formulas, Text, and this time I want to use the right function. So first off, I click here to specify, where the information is. Then over here, if I just type in the number 2, that's going to extract the last 2 letters, or the 2 digits, to the right. So if I click on OK, sure enough, it's worked for that one. If I drag this down, there you are, that's done it for all of them. So that's how you use the right function. Now in this case, we're going to use the mid function. I'll click here first. What I want to do is, you can see I've got DVD US, then something else, and those are all US. When it comes to down here, it's DVD UK, and then if we come down here, it's DVD AU. So what I want to do is extract, in this case, the letters US, 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 here UK, 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 and down for this last couple, AU, 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 and AU. So we'll click there, we'll go to Formulas, we'll go to Text, and this time we'll go and search for mid. There it is, mid. So I'll click here to specify what we want to extract the information from, or where we want to extract the information from. So that's gone in there, so that's B3. Now what I need to do is to type in a start number. So in this case, the start number will be 4. So we go DVD US. So if I type in 4, that's going to basically say go 4 characters in. And then we specify the number of characters. So we want 2 digits. So I'll type in 2. If I click on OK, as you can see, it's extracted the digits US from here. And if I drag this down, that's done the same for all of them. So if I just click here, as you can see, we're using the mid function on B16, and we're extracting the 4th character in, and then the next 2 characters. So that's how you use the mid function.